What if the key to stronger immunity, sharper focus, and lasting energy was already on your plate? How often should you actually eat mushrooms to unlock their full potential? Are you unknowingly missing out on one of the nature's most powerful functional foods? Which mushroom varieties truly support your health and which are just filling space on your plate? How can you tell if the mushrooms are you buy are packed with nutrients or just water and hype? What if the healthy mushroom you choose isn't delivering the benefits you expect? Could mushrooms be a missing link in your fight against inflammation, fatigue, or brain fog? What if they held compounds that support your immune system, heart, and even longevity? Are you aware of the science backed benefits hiding inside these humble fungi? With dozens of edible mushrooms available, how do you know which ones are right for your health goals? What's the real difference between button, shiitake, lion's mane, reishi, and chaga? Are you accidentally overlooking the most potent medical varieties? Which mushrooms should you prioritize for maximum wellness impact? How much do you need to eat and how often to actually see results? What if your cooking method is destroying the very benefits you are trying to gain? Ready to cut through the confusion and eat mushrooms with confidence? Want clear, science based answers on frequency, preparation, and the best varieties for your body? Don't guess with your health. Visit cloudtechbull.com right now for the complete expert packed guide to eating mushrooms for optimal wellness. cloudtechbull.com, your trusted resource for smarter, healthier living.